Hi, this is Kathleen, and I've created this short video to show you how to get to and create a thread on the Blackboard discussion board. This is a technology we are going to be using a lot during the course, so let's get started now. There are two ways you can enter the discussion board area. One is pretty obvious. Over here on the left-hand menu, I actually have a link called Discussion Board. And if you click on that link, you will be magically transported to the discussion boards and be able to view a list of all class discussions. Now, right now, there's only one, which is our first discussion, Student Introductions, but you can expect this area to be pretty heavily populated as the semester progresses. So if I wanted to post to the Student Introduction forum, I simply click on Student Introductions, and then I am able to create a thread or respond to a thread that is already there. But before we do that, let me show you the other way to get here. The other way is through the course modules. Now, week 1 is where we are at. So if I come to week 1 and just scroll down till I see the discussion prompt, Discussion Student Introductions, I can just click on the title. And again, I will be magically transported this time to the particular forum, Student Introductions. And this is where I'll want to create my thread. It's easy to create a thread. You click Create Thread. You give your thread a name. You have to spell your own name right. And you can then begin typing your introduction right into the message feature. I actually find it helpful to create my discussion posts on my word processing program, which is Microsoft Word for me. And that's just because I like to run spelling and grammar checks. I like to be able to do a word count. So I'm going to take you right now to Microsoft Word, and here is my introduction, which I've already highlighted, as you can see. And once I've highlighted, I can come up to the review pane and do a quick word count. And I know I need between 200 and 300 words. I'm at 302, so I'm just fine. And at this point, I am going to copy my introduction, zoom back to my message, and by pressing Control-V, I can paste it right in there. Now, my other part of the task here is to insert a photograph, and that is also pretty easy to do. I'm going to come up to this little icon right here, Insert Edit Image. A little box will open that will allow me to browse my computer and find a picture. I've got lots of pictures here. Let me find one. Here is one of me and my boyfriend in Austin, Texas. It will take a few minutes to load, and then I will simply say Insert. And yes, I am sure. Oh, it wants me to add an image description. There we go. Whoa, that's a big image. There we are. We can worry about editing the image at a future time. Hopefully that is helpful. That is how you type in your introduction and add an image, and then I say Submit, and I'm good to go. And obviously, when I have to respond to another person's thread, it's pretty much the same. I can simply click on that thread. I can read my classmate's introduction, and I can look at their picture. And then I can simply reply. That is one big picture. Submit. And there we go. Okay, that should be enough information to get you started with the discussion thread. If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to email me.